Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. Welcome back to school within few days. The Knowledge School Kite Campus English Literature Lecture number 18, Class 4, Revision of Fill in the Blanks, prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From Oxford Progressive English, Unit number 3. Match the words to their meanings, page number 14. Here I have written all the right answers in front of the words. Title, the name of the story. Plot, the event in the story. Characters, the people in the story. Setting, the place where the story happened. Author, the writer of the story. Circle the correct information. Some lines have more than one correct answer. Page number 14. Date of book. That is 1894. I have written all the answer in bold and capital letters. In bold letters. Name of author. Rudyard Kipling. Lived from 1865 to 1936. The author's job is he was a poet, writer and a newspaper reporter. These are the all right answers. The author lived in Asia. The author spoke Urdu and English. Here you can see some of the pictures with their names. Complete the sentences using the words from the given picture, page number 15. To grow plants, first sow some seeds in the soil. The roots of most plants grow underground. A vine is a long, strong plant that grows up the side of a tree. Sometimes you may need a stone to break open a hard nut. A jungle is a thick forest in a hot, wet country where plant grows close together. A cave is a deep hole in the hillside where large animals may sleep. A berry is a type of fruit. You can make jam with berries. If you try to walk across a marsh, your feet will get wet. Complete the sentences, page number 17. A baby wolf or bear is called a cub. A deep hole in a hill where animals live is a cave. Big animals hunt small animals to kill and eat them. The entrance to a cave is called the mouth. If you have your own house, the house belongs to you. People who steal things from other people are thieves. A large thick forest in Asia is called a jungle. Dear students, we have revised unit number 3's all literature work. Tally all the answers with your book. Be prepared for your exam. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.